Hey Saber freaks, Bombarder here from Bespin Custom Props, the Rebel Armory Forum and FX Sabers Forum, and you can find me on Facebook as well under Bespin Custom Props. This is a graflex episode 7 / episode 8 Ray lightsaber, which I've just finished. Modifications that I did, obviously the glass eye comes as shine through. This is, I should start by saying it's also an 89 Sabers. It's got a Plecter Labs prizm 5.1 ball, but it's also got the firmware from the 5.5 added to it. Things that are special about this Saber are on the inside. It's got the Goth 3D chassis, master chassis, but with a difference. This is the prototype for metal parts, full metal parts. The customer wanted a specific look, and I suggested that I should speak with Ryo at Goth 3D Designs, and he agreed to do the renders for me and to make parts optional in metal. So now if you want these metal parts as a full master chassis with metal speaker holder and metal door on the recharge socket and a metal door over the SD card access, then you can now get them on Shapeways from Goth 3 Designs Shapeways page. So thanks and a shout out to Ryo at Goth 3 Designs for being so willing to make them available in metal, because they wasn't previously. So I'll give you a quick run through of the Saber. I had to make the hole, enlarge the hole on the glass eye because the hole was really small that it was accessible through on that.
Your heat has made you powerful.
Obviously this is the Luke Skywalker Return of a Jedi sound font. It's got 6 sound fonts total that I added to it for him. I'll give you a quick look at the chassis. So if I remove the clamp card and take the clamp off. So the parts that were custom made and what makes the prototype parts on this is this door here. This was previously only available in a plastic option, and your recharge socket cover, that was only previously available in plastic, and the speaker surround was only available in plastic. So these are all available to print now in different types of metal. I can't remember what these were. I think these were the polished bronze, these ones, and this was polished steel, I think it was, we ordered for this. It's got 28mm bass speaker from KR Sabers fitted to it. Real quartz crystals, which I had to cut to size, which was a complete and utter pain, to be quite honest. It's not something I enjoy doing, mucking around with crystals and cutting them to size when they're real quartz ones, because they can just crack and they decide to go in the direction that they want to go a lot of the time. So a quick run through of the sound fonts.
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
Obviously set to a blue pulse.
That lightsaber was Luke's and his father's before him, and now it calls to you.
Obviously this is the Ray sound font, and I've got these pulsing at different rates and they behave differently when the blade's activated as well. See, it's on steadily. There's also an accent LED for like a power core in the rear of the Saber that I put in.
Together, we will destroy the Resistance and the Last Jedi.
Obviously it's a Kylo Soundfont. And this is a Vader Soundfont. Set with a steady crystal because it's a steady sound. And this one's Bespin 2. So it's got basically all of graflex sound fonts fitted to this Saber. You can see the little red LED in the rear going at a different rate on this one. So there we have it, guys. If you want the master chassis, if your Saber Smith is building you one and you want the master chassis in full metal rather than having plastic parts, then they're now available on Shapeways. If you look in Goth Free Design Shapeways store. So yeah, shout out again to Goth Free Designs. Thanks for making these parts available for myself to use with the customer's Saber, and for making them available to the general public. Didn't have to do it, he could have just said no, but he's a great guy. So there we have it. Now it sounds how it should sound, nice and deep and bassy. I think there was one thing that I did fail to mention also. Probably one of the biggest points of it. I'll leave it to the end. It's a Neopixel Saber, guys. I can't believe I left that. That's a Neopixel blade plug that I made. Loosen. What a dumbass. There you go, Neopixel. You probably can't see the pins in there, or can you? But yeah, it's got a TCSS pin set in it for Neopixel. I would demo a blade, but I haven't got a 1-inch Neopixel blade. I've only got a 7/8 Neopixel blade, so I can't actually demo one because I don't have a sleeve where I can put it in to use it. So thanks for watching, guys. Bomb out.